So here we have the remote entry system. This is the receiver, the antenna, and it's interesting because here we have the capacitor that is connected to the backup pin, and because I was trying to, the previous setup. So this is a copper capacitor. So this needs to be connected. This is the backup pin in the ground. The hacker F device in this case, or SDR device in this exploit, the K-FOBs, voltage source, and yeah. So basically, I'm going to execute a brute force attack to the next rolling code. To do that, I need to execute a man in the middle attack just to sniff one frame. In this case, the unlock rolling code. The rolling code to allow me to unlock the system. And after I recover the frame, I need to secure a manual reverse engineering, manual reverse decodification this frame, but it's very fast. And after that, I recover the frame in plain text. I get the counters. There are 4 counters. The first one is in descent order, so I need to subtract 1 to the first counter. The second, the third, and the fourth counter are normal counters plus 1. Okay, so yeah, and I'm going to snip the frequency, the current rolling code to recover the current counters. Perfect. And I'm going to execute manual reverse engineering process very fast. 110. Nice. Okay. So remember, the unlock sound is when you listen 2 times the sound, and the lock sound is just 1 time. So keep this in mind, okay? Because I execute because right now the system was locked automatically after maybe a few minutes. So remember, when the system is locked, the sound is just 1 time. And remember, to unlock the system is we are going to listen 2 times the sound, okay? Alright, perfect. Perfect, so here I have the auto RF killer. I'm going to record the screen. Nice. So yeah, option number 1, brute force rolling code. Okay, enter the current counter. The current counter is 2 bits, the next one is 8 bits, the next one is 16 bits, and the next one is 9 bits. So the current counter, in this case we have 1, so the next one will be 0. Remember, the first one we need to subtract 1. The next one is 1 to 5, so I need to put 1 to 5 here. Perfect. The next one is 1477. So I need to put here 1478. Okay. The next one is 16. 16 is the slowest counter. And the next one is, I'm going to put this delayed is an O. So remember, the current counter parameter is right now is 1, so I put 0. Then the next counter is 125, so I put 126. The next counter is 1477, so I put here 1478. Okay, and the next one is the same because it's the slowest counter, so it's 16 again. Frequency 432 megahertz. This delay is a no. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Yeah, this is the unlock song. So basically, in less than 30 seconds, less than 1 minute, I can do this brute force attack. So it's possible, 100% possible, absolutely yes. So yeah, be careful. Thank you so much.